Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Miftahul Ghanniyah. So in this occasion, I would like to explain my understanding after I read the reading materials about second language acquisition. So, second language acquisition is the study of acquiring a language that is beyond our first language, or in other words, it's a non-primary language that is beyond the native language, and that's what we call the second language. Second language acquisition is completely interdisciplinary field. Why? Because it draws from and impact many other areas of study, such as linguistics, psychology, psycholinguistics, sociology, sociolinguistics, discourse analysis, conversational analysis, and so on. And when we're talking about second language acquisition, it actually has something to do with language pedagogy. Over the years, second language acquisition has become connected to language pedagogy. But recently, the one goal is to disentangle the two fields, because second language acquisition is not a pedagogy. Let's take a look at the situation. When the language pedagogy is exclusively based on rules of memorization and translation exercise, which happens consciously, the second language acquisition involves learning to express communicative needs, which happens both consciously and non-consciously when we focus on communication. So that's different, that's totally different, but they will have a relationship when the pedagogy affect the course of acquiring. And next is so second language acquisition, it's also has something to do with linguistics, because the study of how second language are learned is part of a broader study of language and language behavior. It is no more central than any part of linguistic study. So, and which in turn has its larger goal, the study of the nature of human language, of human mind. And then also, in fact, that the major goal of the second language acquisition research is a determination of the linguistic constraints on the information of the second language grammar. So there are some aspects that we need to know regarding to understanding of second language acquisition, that is phonology, syntax, morphology, semantics, and pragmatics. And in addition, there are some terms that used in second language acquisition. There are NL, it stands for native language. That is the language that the first language that the child learn. It's like mother tongue, and it's also like the first language, which is symbolized with L1. And then also there are L2, which is the second language, and there are also foreign language, and that's symbolized with FL. And then also there are also source language that symbolized with SL, and then the target language that symbolized with TL. And those are the some terms that used in second language acquisition. And lastly, so in conclusion, the second language acquisition is more about the learning process of the second language acquired. And then we have to understand, and also we have to know how to apply it, because like what I mentioned before, second language acquisition is more about the consciously and unconsciously process when we focus on communication. So I think that's all from me. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.